Hi, this is Cheryl St.Pierre with Beebeecraft package opening. And this is actually a double package, so I will be doing 4 tutorials with this one. So stay tuned as I put the links in the description. So the first item I have here is Panda Hall Elite 400 pieces of 12/0 glass seed beads, and they're 2mm round pony beads, mini spacer beads. What I like about them is they're this, my goodness. Okay, they open 2 different ways, and I opened it the other way, the top part, last time. So be careful. I didn't realize they could open 2 different ways. I'll have to clean that up. But they're pearly like, and they're all like, these are good quality beads because they're, if you can see here, they're all basically the same size. So that's great. And I have this, I will be using them with one of my tutorials, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to pause this video and clean up my little bead mess here. Okay, so I'm back, and I just wanted to let you know that yes, you can take this lid off or this lid. And a nice thing about this was it came in a nice Ziploc bag that if it broke in the mail, it would not be all over your package. It would be confined to the little, the Ziploc bag that it came in. Because I have purchased beads at a different place before, and they were all over the package, and it was a big mess. So I appreciate that they do that. And now the next thing that I'm taking out is, this is N Beads 50-piece bag of mixed shapes and mixed colored glass beads. And I plan to do my project with the seed beads with these. I'm not sure which of these I will be selecting to do the project with, but these are really large, so I wanted to make some earrings, so they're too large. I might choose something smaller like this, but we will be pleasantly surprised because you have quite a variety in here of different sizes. Well, that's a nice size. So see the difference there? Quite a bit of change in size. So these, why I like this package was, instead of buying like 20 of the same beads or whatever it happened to be on a strand, this gives you a variety, because if you're like me and you're making jewelry for people, you end up having a whole lot of extras that are just sitting on your shelf, and you're not sure if you're ever going to use them. So this gives me just a few in a variety without an extreme amount of cost, because these type of beads can get pretty pricey. Okay, so put that aside. And what's next out of my package is, this is, it's called Super Findings Electroplated Glass Beads, the Rondelles, and the rose gold plated. And there is, I wrote it down here, there's 3x2mm rondelles, and there's 500 pieces of those. There's 4x3 rondelles. There's 190 pieces of those. There's 6x4 rondelles, 120 pieces, and the 8x6, there's 70 of those. So what is so nice about this is you've got 4 different sizes of the same type of bead, all in one container, ready to go. And it's such a pretty color. I have a project in mind. I don't know if they'll work in it, so that'll be a trial and error. And I'm going to try and get the tutorials up as fast as possible, but I have to play first before I can actually do a tutorial, because I have to make sure I know what I'm doing. Okay, so that is there. Now, I did pre-open everything to save time. And these are Heishi beads that are made out of, where are they? Let me read this. There it is. It's handmade polymer clay beads, but in the Heishi style. And they're a pretty aquamarine color, almost a light turquoise. And there's 4 different sizes. 4, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have in mind a little project that's simple but fun to do with these. They're very different. They are flexible like that, but you don't want to do it too hard because you may break them because they're so thin. So that's why they're important to have them side by side so they support each other. And yeah, you could do a lot of cute little ideas with these, and maybe I'll do more than one tutorial with them if the ideas keep flowing. Okay, and okay, this is, now these ended up, I think I had a special project in mind for these, and I'm not sure if my project will work or not. So that is something we'll have to determine as we go. But these are 2mm faceted pyrite gemstone beads. So they're just like the rondelles, but it's pyrite, which, I mean, the fact that they're this small, they won't be as heavy because pyrite can get very heavy, much like gold, because it's fool's gold, right? So, but they're really pretty. This was, yes, 2 strands of them. So, how many beads? Does it say? They say it's approximately 178 pieces per strand, and they're 14.9 inches long per strand. So, that's a lot of beads. So, you could do quite a few projects with those, you know, depending what it is you had in mind. But pyrite is such an different type of stone to work with. Let's see, what else? Oh, right. Okay, this is handcrafted obsidian round beads that are carved with, I'm going to put it here. They're carved with the Om Mani Padme Hum, which I believe is Chinese, and it means, I have it written down here, they're the symbols that say that, and they mean wisdom, kindness, and happiness, representing a best wish for your life. So I know that Chinese believe in lots of good luck stones. I should have opened this ahead of time. Maybe I'll quickly do that. Okay, so I got them out of the package, and now I'm taking them out of the bag. See, they have the little carvings in them. And you see advertised all over the place those good luck bracelets. I think these are the beads that they use in those good luck bracelets. Except for a lot of them just have plastic beads. These are the genuine obsidian stone. And I thought they would make cute earrings. And they could make a nice ring as well. So for those that like good luck stones, that's what these are supposed to be. I know that green jade is also supposed to be, well, anything green is supposed to be good luck. So there you have it. I thought those were pretty, and I like the fact that they were the genuine stone. Okay, what else? What do we have? Oh, yes, I got something. This was in cellophane too, but I had taken it off. But I haven't taken these out of the bag yet. I just saw these, found them interesting. I normally don't work with items like this, but I thought it might be just fun to have a change. Don't know what specifically I would use them for, but they're metal with the wonderful colors on them, and like this leaf. Wouldn't that make a lovely earring? Just yeah, I think that's what I would do. I would make an earring and then have some beads hanging in front of it. It'd be very simple to do. Maybe I'll work on something like that for a tutorial. Okay. Wow, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I would imagine there's two, oh, a butterfly. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, that's the back end of that. I would think the color's on the other side. Oh, and a fan. There, I think we're duplicating now. So oh, that's one I haven't seen before. Very pretty, very pretty. Oh, different types of leaves. Yes, I see two for sure of each shape. Oh, those are wild. So we could have a lot of fun with those for sure. Okay, and that's the end of my package, but I think I have a lot of exciting stuff in this package. So stay tuned, bear with me. I will get these out as fast as possible, and we will see you in the next video. God bless. Bye for now. Oh, one more thing. I always forget to do this because of the new change. I am inviting you, and I will have the link in the description. I'll have links for all the items in the description. I am wanted to let you know that you too could do the package opening if you have a YouTube channel of 100 subscribers, minimum of 100 subscribers, and then you can click on the link that I provide, and then you can check it out for yourself and apply to do this too, because it's a lot of fun. Okay, and God bless, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.